Hey everyone, I'm Alex Kehaya, CEO of ABK Labs. Our ethos is just build together. We believe that open source software is the purest form of innovation, and we are active contributors to the Solana ecosystem. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use SVMKit to spin up a Solana Validator in just under 2 minutes. This example demonstrates how to set up a single Solana Validator on AWS. I know, before you get all bent out of shape about it being on AWS, just know this can easily be run on any cloud or bare metal hardware provider. Please also note that this is a non-voting functional example intended for educational purposes and testing, not for production use. All of our tooling is free and open source. We're hoping that this will save validators time and empower them to focus more on their business and optimize their validator. Step 1. Pulumi configuration options. Before we get started, let's take a look at the configuration options available in this example. Solana Network. This specifies the Solana cluster the validator will connect to. Default value, testnet. Node instance type. This defines the AWS instance type used for the validator. Default value T3.2x large. You can modify these options as needed based on your requirements. Step 2. Prerequisites. To run this example, make sure you have Pulumi installed and logged into your state backend. Follow Pulumi's guide linked in the repo. AWS credentials configured. To do this, reference Pulumi's AWS configuration guide. Step 3. Install dependencies. Running Pulumi install installs everything you need for this example. You'll see output indicating the progress, including dependency resolution and package linking. Step 4. Create and select a Pulumi stack. Pulumi organizes your projects into stacks, which are isolated environments for your infrastructure. Create and select a new stack with the following command: Pulumi stack init new-validator. This initializes a new stack named new-validator. Step 5. Provision resources. Now it's time to bring up the validator and associated resources. Run Pulumi up. Pulumi will show a preview of the resources it plans to create, such as SSH keys, an AWS EC2 instance for the validator, a security group to manage access, and validator-specific resources like key pairs and configurations. Once you confirm, Pulumi will begin deploying these resources. You can monitor the progress in real time, and at the end, you'll see a summary that includes public DNS name, the address of the EC2 instance, SSH private keys, which is a secret key for secure access to the validator. Step 6. We verify the validator is working correctly. After deployment, verify that the validator is connected to the Solana network. SSH into the instance and view the logs. You'll see real-time logs of the validator syncing with the network. Step 7. Optional actions. Now that the validator is running, you can perform the following actions. You can airdrop SOL to fund your validator's account using the Solana CLI. You can create a vote account, which means set up a vote account on your validator. And you can stake SOL to delegate SOL to your validator and start earning passive income. For detailed instructions on how to do this, refer to the Solana operations guide linked in the bottom of the repo. To SSH into your validator, simply run //ssh-2-host. Step 8. Tear down the example. This is an optional step. When you're done, clean up the resources to avoid incurring costs. Run Pulumi down. This safely destroys all resources created by the example. And that's it. You've successfully deployed a Solana validator on AWS using Pulumi and SVMKit. This example provides a streamlined way to test validator deployments and get hands-on with Solana infrastructure. Thanks for watching and happy building.